This is Nugget, my sweet fluffy boy. Let's make my cat a cute little red French beret. Oh, I also forgot to mention that the whole point is to make us matching red berets. Although I already have one, I'm making him the matching one. Hi, I'm Nicole and I'm going to attempt to make a red beret for my cat. I don't know if he's gonna let me put it on him, but we are going to try. And I'm going to be using some red felt that I had laying around. I actually will be linking a free pattern down below for you to make your own beret and a matching one for your pet. It's honestly like his apartment and I just live here, so we'll see how this goes. First thing that I need to do is measure his head.
I measured my cat's head so you didn't have to, and use these measurements to create the pattern that's linked below. Once my pattern pieces are cut out, I cut out my fabric. I cut one full circle and two of the donut shape pattern pieces. With the wrong side of the full circle touching the right side of the donut piece, I pinned and sewed them together at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And then I flipped it right side out, and I am already so excited. This is going to be so cute. I forgot to measure under his chin from ear to ear for his little chin strap. But since I've already taken his measurements once, he is going to play hard to get.
So I was unsuccessful in getting his little chin measurement, but I think I'm just going to guess and go with 7 inches, and I'm just going to cut that out of some elastic. You trapped yourself. Good thing I measured because it's actually 8 inches and I wouldn't want to be choking him. So I'm actually going to just give myself a little bit more space by doing 8.5 to accommodate for a seam allowance.
With the hat right side out, I am layering the second donut piece on top of the other donut piece. This is the seam where I will be inserting the elastic, so I just pinned it on opposite sides and sewed the inner circle together at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I flipped the hat inside out and pinned the other side of the donut piece to the outer circle and sewed. And when I flipped it right side out, it looked like this. And it is so stinking cute. The last step is to add a little bit on top. If I had a pom-pom, I would have definitely added that, but I didn't. I made a little circular bit out of felt and sewed it so there were no exposed raw edges, and hand sewed it to the center of the beret. Time for the moment of truth.
Oh my god. You look so good. Come here. Nugget.
Oh my god, he looks so cute and Parisian in his little red beret.
That went way better than I was expecting. He definitely didn't enjoy it, but he also didn't hate it. So, okay, not bad. If you would like to match with your pet and make your own cute little matching beret set, please be sure to check out the free PDF pattern I have listed down below, and I have made it available in a cat size, a dog size, and a human size, so hopefully I have the sizes covered. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to see more DIY content and maybe even more content featuring my cat Nugget, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!